We offer a range of vocational courses for students that may have not engaged in education in the conventional way. We offer work placement, so we're currently working with Pizza Hut, we're working with Robert Dyers, WH Smiths. We have a work placement officer who can source the placements for the students, and then what she will do is match that with their interests.
Well, we're very, very proud of our cafe that runs on a Wednesday. So it's a very, very good working area for them to learn new skills. We've got one student has actually got employment in a cafe in Poole, and he was here with us last year. So a lot of them get transferable skills.
My role is quite rewarding when students succeed and achieve their qualifications at the end of their academic time with us, and it's great to be part of that.